Welcome to another video from DIY Daily. Just got a short video explaining and fixing a fault on this 2009 Vauxhall Insignia. We've got the check right headlamp fault on the dash there, and we've got this fault code in the headlamp control module, U1521. And basically the issue we've had with this one, quite a common issue, we've done a video on it, water ingress into the headlight and it seeps through, and the ballast sits on the bottom of the headlight, corrodes in there, and it's knackered the actual ballast and obviously all the connection on the headlamp itself. It's had a new headlight fitted and a new ballast, but we've still got this issue on the dash there as well, even though the headlight is now working now on dip and main beam. So I'm just going to run you through what we found the fault to be on this one. So we've just got it fixed now. We'll just show you quickly. Just turn the lights on now. The lights are just coming on. Turn them off. We've got no message on there at all. So the light was working, but it was just coming up with a fault, saying that to check the offside headlight there, the right hand headlight. And it's actually only come about, we've had an issue with this one with the headlight. Basically it's cracked, got water in it and corroded it. It all rotted inside the ballast, so I fitted both new bits. It actually had a new ballast on it, but the fault code was in there and I couldn't get rid of that message. But now that I've just confirmed this is the fault, I just thought I'd share the video in case anyone was struggling with the same code. Well, basically it's relating to the actual ballast. Now this was one of the cheaper eBay ones that I'd fitted on it. I have fitted some of these cheap ones before without any problems, to be fair. But it's a bit hit and miss, I think. Obviously after having this problem now, I'll probably go for getting a genuine Hella unit in the future. They are quite a bit more expensive. I'll just put a quick picture up with a difference, but basically it looks exactly the same. It's just got the Hella logo on the actual proper Hella one, that's all. But yeah, as soon as we fitted that, the fault code was still in there, but I've cleared the fault code now and it's stayed out. It was before I could clear the fault code, and as soon as you went back into the headlamp ECU, the fault code was still there. So I just thought I'd put this video together in case anyone was struggling with the same code. I did have a quick look on the internet. There's a few people that have had the issue and were struggling to get to the bottom of it. So it does look like if you've got that code, it's going to be relating to the actual ballast, that's all. So, but if you want to check out the video on how to fit the ballast, I've got a full video I'll put a link to above or at the end of the video on just how to fit to get the headlight out and replace the ballast as well. Yeah, hope the video helped. If it did, give it a quick thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.